should you do? A. Continue driving, because there are pedestrians on the left side of the road only. B. Wait to allow pedestrians to cross the road. C. Continue driving, because there is sufficient time before the pedestrians have reached my side of the road. The correct answer is B. You must wait to allow pedestrians to cross the road as they are on or about to enter the pedestrian crossing and have the right of way. What actions should you anticipate at such stops? A. Pedestrians will wait until the road is clear. B. Pedestrians will run across the road to the tram stop island. C. Pedestrians will step off the tram stop island unheedingly. The correct answers are B and C. When approaching a tram stop, you should anticipate that pedestrians may run across the road to the tram stop island and step off the tram stop island unheedingly. You should always be prepared for unpredictable behavior. You want to turn right. What must you be prepared for? A. The truck will stop. B. The pedestrian could let the truck pass by and then cross the road in front of me. C. After the truck has taken the turn, pedestrians could approach from the opposite side of the road. The correct answers are A, B, and C. When turning right, you must be prepared for multiple hazards. The truck will stop, the pedestrian could let the truck pass by and then cross the road in front of you, and after the truck has taken the turn, pedestrians could approach from the opposite side of the road. What must you be prepared for? A. For vehicle doors opening. B. For persons crossing. C. For visual obstructions. The correct answers are A, B, and C. When driving on this type of street, you must be prepared for vehicle doors opening, persons crossing, and visual obstructions created by parked cars. What should you anticipate? A. That it could be necessary to brake heavily. B. That adults could walk onto the road. C. That children could appear between the vehicles. The correct answers are A, B, and C. When driving on a street like this with many parked cars and pedestrians, you must anticipate that it could be necessary to brake heavily. You should also be prepared for both adults and children to unexpectedly walk onto the road from between the parked vehicles. What should you anticipate? A. That pedestrians will walk onto the road in front of me. B. That children will suddenly appear between the vehicles. C. That pedestrians will wait until I have driven past. The correct answers are A and B. When driving in this situation, you must anticipate that pedestrians will walk onto the road in front of you. You should also be aware that children may suddenly appear between the vehicles due to the visual obstructions. What should you anticipate? A. That pedestrians will suddenly walk onto the road. B. That doors of vehicles will be opened. C. That vehicles will begin moving. The correct answers are A, B, and C. When driving in this situation, you must anticipate several risks. That pedestrians will suddenly walk onto the road, that the doors of vehicles will be opened, and that vehicles will begin moving from their parked positions. What is your assessment of this situation? A. The pedestrian with the moped may change direction suddenly. B. I can continue driving at the same speed. C. The female pedestrian may walk unheedingly onto the road. The correct answers are A and C. You must assess the situation by anticipating the unpredictable behavior of pedestrians. The pedestrian with the moped may change direction suddenly, and the female pedestrian may walk unheedingly onto the road. There is oil on the road. What should you do now? A. I notify the fire brigade. B. I avoid heavy braking and abrupt steering movements. C. I swerve onto the left-hand side of the road. The correct answers are A and B. If there is oil on the road, you should notify the fire brigade to have the hazard removed. You must also avoid heavy braking and abrupt steering movements, as the oily surface significantly reduces tire grip and could cause you to lose control of your vehicle. What must you be prepared for here? A. A vehicle coming from the right. B. An extended braking distance. C. A narrowed carriageway. The correct answers are A, B, and C. You must be prepared for a vehicle coming from the right, as your view is obstructed. The wet and leafy road also creates an extended braking distance, and the parked truck causes a narrowed carriageway.